Hello everyone and welcome. Today we have this Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This is common for a midlife refresh. As part of the midlife refresh, we are going to be repainting 5 panels of the car and then we are going to be doing a complete exterior and interior detailing. So we will be repainting the front bumper. There are a lot of damages at the bottom and on the sides. So here, and on the bonnet also there is some paint damage along the line. Plus there are a lot of stone chips on the bonnet.
Okay.
Over here. So on this door we have a lot of damage. There's a lot of dents over here.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Deep dents plus a lot of scratches along the line, and here quarter panel also will be resprayed. We have an update on the E-Class. First round of tinkering has been done for the bumper and the bonnet. So the rear door, which had a lot of dents, is being corrected. So this is the first round of the body filler.
One billion, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
We have completed the midlife refresh on this Mercedes-Benz E-Class. We have painted a total of 5 panels, which was the bonnet, which had a lot of damage on it, including the stone chips and other things. The front bumper has also been resprayed. All this damage over here on this rear door has been repaired. Can't make out now that any problem had happened. Along with that, we have also painted the quarter panel as well as the rear bumper. So if you'd like to get your car done through a midlife refresh and freshen it up, or just get all your paint damage repaired and make it as good as new, please do let us know.